is alive and talking to us. This is not a metaphor. So says Terence McKenna, mushroom ambassador, the originator of the heroic dose. So tuning in to the landscape around me, drinking it all in through all my senses. Here's what I have to say. Look at me. Listen. Open your nostrils and inhale my aromas. I am the Queen of the May. I am resplendent. I am gorgeous. Look at me growing and flourishing. Notice my flowers, my blooms. Inhale the intoxicating scent of all of the flowers of all colours. Be aware you are just driving through a tiny gash in my magnificence and my majesty. As you can see, my trees have almost completely covered your road. Be aware I could take that land back any time I choose. But I choose you to have your experiences. I choose you to be human. And when you are walking or in one of your metal boxes, I ask you this. What are you listening to? Are you listening to the old stories? Are you listening to worries, to thoughts? You've slipped back into the past? Are you all fantasizing about the future? Or are you with me, here, now? See how I display myself, your delectation and your delight. Be aware that I'm your cure to all your illnesses and your afflictions. Let all that travail and are heavy laden come unto me, and I will refresh you. So it says in the Bible. And by my shade I give you refreshment from the bright hot sun on this delicious May Day. Give me the time of day and I'll show you a good time. That's my message to you. Give me the time of day, I'll show you a good time.